Hey there, store owners. Looking to revamp your single product page to grab more attention and drive more sales? Let's meet the ultimate app, EasyFlow, which is designed to supercharge your Shopify product pages. With EasyFlow, you can go beyond the default product options and add fully customizable ones that elevate the shopping experience. It comes with personalization and advanced configurations to turn visitors into buyers. In this video, we'll show you how to set up EasyFlow and customize your options in minutes. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. From the app search bar, type EasyFlow and search for it in the Shopify App Store. On the Shopify App Store, find EasyFlow and hit the install button next to it. A pop-up will appear on the Shopify dashboard with some access info. Tap the install button on the pop-up. EasyFlow will be installed on your store, and the onboarding setup flow will appear instantly. Tap the next button to continue with the process. The first step starts with some basics about what EasyFlow is and how you can configure things quickly. Then you can add option sets, rank, and create options and values as necessary in the second step. Once done, save settings. Here, you will also find the flexibility to add products manually or automatically to an option set. You need to select products individually or under a group for manual selection. Tap the next button once completed. In the next screen, you will find the button to add an app block to your product page. On the product page template, find the EasyFlow product options block. Add and reposition the block where you see fit. Once done, hit the Save button. Come back to the onboarding page, tap Finish Setup. That's it. You have successfully installed EasyFlow on your Shopify store and configured it for your store. You can create as many product options you need for further customizations. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more guides like this.